can get one.
He's looking at her like, that's a pretty big dog.
She says, I almost got him. I almost got him.
He doesn't seem to be afraid of her, you know.
No.
Doesn't even care that she's in there.
He's a star. He don't care.
I wonder what the thing was he did yesterday. That was sure weird. Little stretch move.
She got it with her paw. I know, that was weird. I wish I could have caught that on video. Did she eat it? She's eating it, Mom.
She's gonna take it. No, you get back in here with it. You gotta stay in there with it. She's trying to take it. Let's him take it right out of her.
No, she can't go that way. She said, but it's mine.
She still got it?
Yeah.
She stepped on him. I want him to take it right out of her mouth. Get it, Rango.
Gone now. Sorry.
She's still trying to eat the dirt. You looking for it?
Yeah.
I hope she doesn't go to the bathroom. He's trying to lick her. Retract your claws, girl.
Move your big head, princess.
They're both going.
Are you the camera video star?